Hey there! Are you feeling overwhelmed or distracted by Instagram and looking to take a break? In this video, I'll show you how to temporarily or permanently disable your Instagram account so you can take some time off. Don't worry. You can always reactivate your account later if you change your mind if you delete it temporarily. The first thing you'll need to do is open the Instagram app on your smartphone or tablet. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile page. Once you're on your profile page, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen to access the menu. Then, tap on Settings and Privacy. Click Account Center. Then click Personal Details. And click Account Ownership and Control. Then click Deactivation or Deletion. Select your account and choose between Deactivate Account or Delete Account. Insert your password and tap Continue. Instagram will ask you to select a reason for disabling your account. Choose the reason that best fits your situation. Finally, tap on Deactivate Account to disable your Instagram account. Your account will be hidden from Instagram until you reactivate it by logging back in. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can take a break from Instagram without permanently deleting your account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful for you.